Hey urban farmers! Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things urban farming and sustainable living. Ever thought about raising backyard chickens right here in Ottawa? It's a growing trend among city dwellers who want to bring a bit of the countryside into their urban lives. Let's dive into some facts you need to know before you start building that coop. First things first, you need to understand the basics of what it takes to keep chickens in an urban environment. So, can you actually have backyard chickens in Ottawa? Short answer, yes. But it comes with a few rules and regulations that you need to be aware of. According to the City of Ottawa bylaws, residents in urban areas can keep chickens, but there are some important guidelines to follow. Number 1, you can only have up to 5 hens. That's right, you can have a small flock of up to 5 hens. This is to ensure that the chickens have enough space and that the noise and smell are kept to a minimum. No roosters allowed, folks. They're just too noisy for the neighborhood. Roosters can be quite loud, and their crowing can disturb your neighbors, so they are not permitted in urban areas. The coop must be at least 1.2 meters away from any property line. It needs to be predator-proof, well-ventilated, and kept clean to avoid any health issues. You'll also need to ensure the chickens have access to food, water, and shelter at all times. Worried about smell? Don't be. With proper maintenance, backyard chickens don't have to be a smelly affair. Regularly cleaning the coop and using bedding like straw or wood shavings can help keep odors at bay. It's all about maintaining a clean and healthy environment for your chickens. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Fresh eggs, of course. There's nothing quite like collecting fresh eggs from your own backyard. They're tastier and more nutritious than store-bought eggs. You can have farm-fresh eggs right from your backyard. Plus, chickens can help with pest control and provide natural fertilizer for your garden. Chickens love to eat insects and pests, which can help keep your garden healthy. Their manure is also a great natural fertilizer that can enrich your soil. But remember, keeping chickens is a commitment. They need daily care, just like any other pet. This includes feeding them, providing fresh water, and cleaning their coop regularly. They need daily care, just like any other pet. Make sure you're ready for the responsibility before you dive in. Chickens can be a lot of fun and very rewarding, but they do require time and effort. Finally, if you're thinking about getting started, make sure you have all the necessary supplies. This includes a coop, bedding, feed, and water containers. Check out the City of Ottawa's website for a detailed guide on the rules and regulations. It's important to be fully informed before you start your backyard chicken journey. It's always a good idea to do your homework first. Researching and planning ahead can save you a lot of trouble down the road. So, are you ready to join the backyard chicken movement? It's a great way to become more self-sufficient and enjoy the benefits of fresh eggs and natural pest control. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you're already raising chickens in Ottawa. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you might have for new chicken owners. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more urban farming tips. We have a lot of great content coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching and happy farming. Remember, urban farming is all about making the most of the space you have and living a more sustainable lifestyle.